Okay, now, today, let's going to learn the HSK1 vocabulary. The first one is this one, I. You see how to write this capital I. From top to bottom, from left to right. Okay, yeah. And this I is made of three parts. You see, the top is the lover's hand, middle is roof, bottom is friend. So this is the love. Yeah, this word means love. From love's love, family's love, friend's love. So this character means love. Okay? Yeah. So let's see the pinyin of this character. Right? The character I, pinyin is the double vowel. I, similar to the alphabet I, but this is fourth tone, so go, I. Yeah, this is double vowel, and we mark the tone on the first vowel because we according to the order A, O, E, U, U. So which one is in front? We mark on which one. So we mark on the first vowel, I, right? And this vowel has two meanings. First one is noun. Yeah, means love. For example, this is my mother's love. So you see this sentence. This is a SVO structure. This subject is verb, my mother's love object. You see this object, my mother's love. A little bit long, right? You see, my mother's is description, noun. Love is noun, my mother's description. Describe the love. Whose love? My mother's love, right? So you see, my. How to say my? 我的, right? This is the possessive way of I. 我的 mother's love. Mother, mama. So my mother. 我的妈妈, right? My mother. 我的妈妈. Then I use the to connect. So 我的妈妈的爱, right? Yeah. So let's see this sentence. This is my mother's love. So this 这 is 是 my mother's love. 我的妈妈的爱. Put them together, right? So you see there are two the in the sentence. So we keep last the, delete first the. So 这是我妈妈的爱. Okay? Yeah. So let's see the second usage. Yeah, love. I can be verb, which means to love. For example, I love China. You see, this is the basic structure. Subject, verb, object. I, 我 love, I, verb, China. 我爱中国, right? Yeah, so this is first usage of the verb. Then we can put verb after love. So I love to eat Chinese food. See, we put eat after this verb, right? Yeah, see? Subject, verb 1, verb 2, the object, right? Put verb after love. So 我 love I, yeah. Then 吃 eat 吃, yeah. Chinese food 中国菜 right? 菜 dish. 我爱吃中国菜. So pay attention. In HSK1, there are several emotional verbs which is used to show your emotion or feeling, such as I, to love, 喜欢, to like, 想, would like to. So sometimes we can put degree adverb before them. And other verbs don't have this usage, okay? So for example, I love China very much. So here the degree adverb is very, 很, right? So in this case, we can put degree adverb before the verb, the emotional verb. So how to say this sentence? I love China very much. So subject, verb, object. Put the degree adverb before the verb. So I, 我, then very, 很, then love, I, then object, 中国. So again, 我很爱中国. Very good. Now, I have a question for you. So you see there are two sentences, right? Sentence 1, 我爱了中国. I love China. So here I put word 了 after this verb I, right? So first sentence, 我爱了中国. Second sentence, 我爱过中国. So I put 过 after I, right? Yeah, so these two sentences, which one is correct? Can you guess? You see, we learned that we put 了 or put 过 after verb to show this is the past tense, right? Yeah, in this case, which one is correct? If you want to express, I loved China, this event is finished. So, yeah, in this case, you have to put 过 after verb, okay? Yeah, why? Because, you know, there are certain verbs which called long-lasting verb, okay? Long-lasting verb, yes. This long-lasting verb which can last for a long time itself. So, if you put 了 after this kind of verb, which means a new situation begins, and then these new situations can last for a long time, such as 有, to have, 在, this 在 is a verb 在, being or be at, such as 我在家, right? 认识 or 知道 means to know, right? Or I, to learn. 是, this 是 is to be, it self meaning. I am 翠翠, 我是翠翠. So this 是, right? Yeah, so here this kind of verb which we called long-lasting verb. So if you put 了 after, which means a new situation begins. Okay? Yeah, so pay attention to this kind of verb. Okay?